One place you should definitely check out when you're in Fairbanks is the North Pole. And yes, I said it, the North Pole. Only 20 minutes outside of town. And even though it kind of lost its magic without the snow, that doesn't mean it takes away the opportunity to meet the Santa Claus. Right over there is Santa Claus house. So if you come to the North Pole, you can actually get the chance to meet with Santa in person. And as good old Saint Nick has never replied to any of my wish list, this year I decided to bring my wish list to Santa Claus. So, Santa Claus, we're coming to town. Well, that was fun, and of course you can't go to the North Pole without seeing the real reindeers. So right behind me is a little small reindeer patch or farm. You can actually visit, pet and feed them, of course for a small fee. So Nick, thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.